There are several major token unlocks coming this January that could result in a supply shock to the market, and you should know about them, so let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Corner, your go-to place for all things crypto. My name is OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. Now let's take a look at this article here, which I posted on my blog. I know that not all of you are reading these articles. That's why I decided to feature it in today's episode of Crypto Corner. Over $7 billion worth of crypto token unlocks are coming in this January. In fact, already in the first week of January, we saw token unlocks with amounting to about $1 billion. But more importantly, which are the ones that are due? And why does it matter? Well, because token unlocks release a large amount of tokens into circulation, creating a what we call supply shock to the market, because that happens in one instant. Of course, there are token unlocks that happen over time. These are linear token unlocks. Certain amounts of tokens get unlocked over certain amounts of time. Usually these are preset. People know about this, or at least you should know about this if you are investing in cryptocurrencies. The projects that you are investing in, you should follow what they do and be aware of major events that are happening with these tokens and projects, because they always result in some fluctuations in the price. And if you're trading or even just investing, you need to know where is the price going, what to expect. So with cliff unlocks, which is the other type of token unlock, where you have a large one-time release of tokens, these are more impactful simply because they release large amounts in one go. In fact, the third week of January, around January 12th to 19th, is projected to account for the largest share, with approximately $4 billion worth of token unlocks. And it's not just some obscure projects that you don't know about. Aptos, Optimism, Arbitrum are some of those, with Aptos actually being the first one here that you need to pay attention. This is happening on the 12th of January. Aptos is planning to release over 11 million APT tokens valued at around $111 million, which presents around 2% of its market cap. Not a major amount, but still, it's substantial. Then there is the Circular Protocol, also on January 12th. Around 28 billion tokens worth around $108 million will hit the market. And these constitute around 62% of its complete market cap. So for a project like that, which is not in the top, it's not the top 20 or top 50 even market cap project, this is quite a huge amount. If you're investing in Circular Protocol, I feel that this token unlock will definitely create a price dip, a market crash if you wish, because we're talking about a very large amount of tokens being released in one go. Then there is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is scheduled for January 16th with over 92 million ARB tokens that are valued approximately $86 million that will hit the market. Again, this is not a huge amount. $86 million can be absorbed by the market easily, but at least a minor drop in price is to be expected from this. Now, if you're only investing in these tokens and you're not really trading them, you're not taking advantage of the swings in the prices, especially in the short term, then this wouldn't really bother you. But if you are a trader and you want to take advantage of price swings, this could be important information for you. Some other major token unlocks are Optimism, Ronin, Movement, UX-Link, Immutable as well, G2 Labs, and Starknet in January. So knowing this is really helpful for people who want to take advantage of the price swings, because these token unlocks often result in some large sell-offs. First, you have people who just got these tokens and maybe they don't really want to hold them anymore, and now they want to lock in some profits, so they will be selling these tokens. Now, other traders, in anticipation of this event, are also starting to sell in advance, usually a couple of weeks before, sometimes even a month before the event. So this is why I'm saying that it's important to know about these events so that you can really take advantage of the market swings. Now, my research shows that on average, and this is on average, meaning that it's not with every network and every project, but a lot of the times on average, you can expect something like 15 to 20, maybe 30% price drop in the short term. Of course, after that, price recovers as the market absorbs all of this supply. So I'm not really saying that this is definitely going to happen to these projects and that all of them are going to have price drops by 20, 30 or more percent. But typically, the anticipated token unlocks could lead to increased selling pressure in the market. And historical data shows us that large token unlocks often correlate to short-term price drops due to the simple supply and demand dynamics and the potential panic selling as well. The main factors to take into account here are the volume of the token unlock, the timing, of course, and the market sentiment. Right now, we are still in a bullish sentiment, even though Bitcoin is taking a minor break right now from its run, and it's kind of starting to consolidate, which could be good for alts. But also, if Bitcoin drops from here, if it gets rejected from the 101,000 where it's currently sitting, it could actually lead to even bigger drops in the altcoins. And if that coincides with a large token unlock at the same time as the market corrects, then you can expect a much bigger correction, much bigger drop in the price. So it's very important that over the next couple of weeks, you monitor these projects closely if you are invested in them. Now, there is one more really important token unlock to watch out for, which is happening in Q1 this year. It's actually in March. And this is the Solana stash from FTX. If you remember, FTX locked a huge amount of Solana tokens for its investors, part of the recovery process of recovery funds for the investors of FTX. This happened after the liquidation of FTX. They locked in millions of Solana tokens in smart contracts to get staking rewards. Now, this is coming to an end, and they already started token unlocks, but in March is the biggest one, and it's I couldn't really find the exact date. Some sources point 1st of March, some sources point 19th of March. However, in March, we're going to see 112 million Solana tokens coming into the market, coming into circulation. So that's definitely going to create a massive supply shock for Solana token holders. I've already reduced my position in Solana, and I will keep reducing it because I expect that the price of Solana, even though I don't expect it to crash or anything, but it's just not going to grow as the rest of the tokens are growing in price because there will be such a huge supply. And it already started actually. They unlocked 178,631 Solana tokens in October. That was on the 19th of October, 2024. And now they are unlocking regularly. And now they have regular unlocks of 170,000 Solana every 2 weeks. So that's every 12 to 15 days, 170,000 Solana tokens are coming into circulation. And this is all from the FTX staking address. So in March, we are seeing this massive, significant unlock of Solana tokens by FTX, and it's going to be 112 million Solana tokens. So we're having here a combination of linear unlocks with the 170,000 Solana tokens every couple of weeks and a cliff unlock in March. So be very wary of that, especially those of you who are invested in Solana. I know that many people are invested in Solana. Therefore, this is going to be quite a major supply shock to the market. We'll see how the market will respond. I personally expect that we will see large sell-offs of Solana in anticipation of this event, possibly in February. I don't think people will be waiting for the end of February. It could even start as early as the end of January. So if you want to take advantage of the price swings in Solana, make sure to follow these token unlocks. Make sure that you are aware of what's happening in the market. Now, a reminder, just like I emphasized the importance of using cold wallets, the OneKey Pro stands out as my top recommendation for safeguarding your digital assets. This model is equipped with not one but 4 security chips with the highest industry standards. But what I love most about the OneKey Pro is that it has air-gapped signing capabilities, so you can securely confirm transactions without ever connecting to the internet. This is done by scanning QR codes, and there is a camera to facilitate this. There is also Bluetooth connectivity should you wish to use that. It makes it unique because it is the first device of its kind to offer both Bluetooth connectivity and air-gapped mode. I prefer air-gapped most of the time, but if I'm in a rush, I would use the Bluetooth option. I have a choice, which is great. And there's other things that make it worth your money, like the biometric authentication, which is just adding an extra layer of security. Plus, it supports thousands of cryptocurrencies. The list is too long to go through it here. And it's also the first cold wallet with wireless charging capability. These are all unique features that no other device currently offers. It's super lightweight and compact, fitting easily in my pocket or bag, ideal for my travels throughout the year. And whether you're at home or on the move, this wallet seamlessly integrates with both desktop and mobile phones. And the best part, you get 10% discount with my link, the most of any other YouTuber out there. So use the link, it's in the description below, or you can scan this QR code to get the discount. And this is for all of the OneKey products, not just for this wallet. I also love the Touch model and even the older one, the OneKey Classic. They're very easy to use. The OneKey Classic is the most simple one, but also it is the thinnest and the lightest of all of them, so it is perfect for on the go. It doesn't have a full color display and it's not that easy to navigate with just 4 buttons. But for simple stuff and for long-term holdings where you don't really have to make too many transactions too often, it is perfect. So there's plenty of choice. You can download my free ebook where I break down these and many other devices currently on the market, so you can compare and choose the right one for you. Remember, always own your private keys and keep your crypto safe. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'll see you there.